With Jacob Sunrooms, exteriors, and baths, you can enjoy your home the way you like it at prices you'll love. I visited one of their showrooms to get all the details. We're here at Jacob where they have exteriors, sunrooms, baths, anything you can think of to make your home a better place to live. They've got it all here. So let's head inside and get the inside scoop. All right, Scott, we've made it inside of Jacob's showroom. So what's going on here?
Well, things are great here. We're having another fantastic year. And today, I wanted to talk about the Marvin windows and doors. The thing that really separates the Marvin window and door lineup is all the framework is made from fiberglass, is 8 times stronger than vinyl. And the other thing is that the fiberglass and the glass moves at it expands and contracts at the same rate. So the chance of seal failure is almost zero on these products.
Wow.
And that strength gives you a lot more glass and a little bit less framework, so the window looks better.
I mean, you can tell that there is more window than actual pane, which makes the home beautiful.
And there are so many colors available. You can, with the inside versus the outside, and you have great energy ratings. This window will fit any architecture for any home in the St. Louis marketplace.
And I also see, we're here in the showroom, I also see that there's some other things as well for folks to check out.
Our bath division, where we can take an old tub, pull it out, and give you a low threshold shower. And we have again, a lot of different colors and styles to choose from, and along with different types of shower heads. We have, if you look over at the first display here, this is a laser etched line that is not grout. So you don't have to get in and clean it and scrub it, but it is so much more reasonably priced than the tile and doing the grout. And then 10 years down the road, when that tile is all gross looking and it's dirty and you got to get in there with a toothbrush and you got to clean it. It's not any fun. And so most of the ladies really like the product.
It's the only Marvin Certified Installing Retailer for replacement windows and doors in the St. Louis marketplace. If you want to replace your old windows with the best windows on the market, they sure have it, and at a reasonable cost. Quotes for all projects are free as well. We'll be right back.